Hello my lovely fans, welcome to my channel, the Traveler. This is my trip to Ibadan, Nigeria, the largest city in West Africa. Please kindly subscribe to my channels, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok and Instagram.
Garden. So we have about five different sections here. So we have the bird section, which will have different species of bird, the carnivorous bird and the herbivorous bird. So we have the reptile section, the primate section, the carnivore section and the herbivorous section. So we are starting from the bird section. So here we have an African grey parrot. We have different species of parrots. Those parrots that can talk and those ones that cannot talk. I'll show you both of them. So this one can talk. They talk at the age of 1 year and they can live up to 23 years. And the herbivorous bird, they feed on plants. We feed them with a groundnut and pepper to clear their throat after finishing eating. So here we have a white goose, or the four-winged goose. So this is the four-winged goose. Their lifespan is 11 years. They are also herbivorous bird. So they have spore on their body. The spore make them not to be edible for human being. Human being cannot consume them. Human cannot eat them at all. So here them here is that their egg cannot hatch naturally here. Their egg can only hatch artificially. Their egg can only hatch naturally in the temperate region. The region when the environmental condition is cold. So that's where their egg can hatch. But here the environmental condition of this place is hot. So their egg cannot hatch here. Hello. So here we have a white goose. The white goose are called security birds. We call them semi-security birds because when they see stranger, they be raising alarm. They be making noise. They be just raising alarm. And the herbivorous bird, they feed on plants. Slightly originated from Moscow, but they are able to domesticate them because their egg can hatch naturally and artificially here. So that's why we are able to domesticate them here. And the herbivorous bird, they feed on plants. They are our common local dog. The cage of this one is different. So their own cage is different because we have an owl here. And the owl are nocturnal animal. They are only active at night. They can't see very well during the day. So they create this place for them to look. There is different species of vulture. Though this one is the hook vulture. Vulture, they are carnivorous bird. They can live up to like 38 years in the captivity. And then you can see the head. Vulture have band. They have band. Their head, they don't have ear on their head. For them to clean their mess after finish eating in the wild. If they have ear on their head, for example now when they finish eating, blood will stay their head. So when blood stay their head and they have hair on their head, it's not be easy for them to clean the blood. But now their head do not have ear, so it is very easy for them to clean their mess after finish eating in the wild. And they are carnivorous. They feed on flesh. They feed on carcass, dead animal. The white-faced whistling duck are mainly found in water environment because if you look at their foot very well, their foot is web. The web foot enable them to swim effectively inside water. I've seen them raising one leg up. All birds raise one leg up to maintain the heat that's inside their body. So when the environmental condition is high, so they raise this it's cold. They raise one leg up to maintain the heat that's inside their body. And they also have herbivorous birds. They feed on plants. Pelican. The proud pelican, they are also carnivorous birds. They feed on flesh. And then the brown pelican are also water birds. If you look at their foot is web. The web foot enable them to swim effectively inside water. And they give them a nickname called kingfisher because they can use their mouth to pack up like 25 small fishes at a time. And here we feed them with cow flesh. They can live up to 31 years. The female have the smaller sac, and they also use the sac to do competition in their kingdom because they use the sac to store food temporarily. Here we have the golden eagle. Eagle love staying on top of a tree. They only come down when they want to eat. A full-grown eagle can carry a baby antelope. They are capable of animal that is about 4 times of their weight. An eagle, they can live up to like 70 years. Up to 70 years. But provided that they are strong. Because at the age of 40 years, their beak grows to say that the beak will cough. They will not be able to eat again. They will not fly to a mountain. Under that mountain, they will spend about 150 days. Under that mountain, they will not drink anything, they will not eat anything. They will use the mountain to break their beak. After breaking their beak, they remove all their feather. So after removing all their feather, they will not fly to their natural habitat to live for another 30 or 28 years. But most of them used to die during that time because they will not eat anything, they will not drink anything. Okay, welcome to the reptile section. So we have different species of snake, crocodile, and turtle here. So here we have the Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile is the biggest crocodile after saltwater crocodile. And crocodile are not really aquatic animal. I will explain that. Reason why they are not aquatic animal. For animal to be an aquatic animal, the animal will have gills, but crocodile have lungs. So that's why when crocodile are in water, they will raise their nose above the water level to breathe in the atmospheric oxygen, as we are seeing here. They have the same set of teeth. They have what we call homodont dentition, the same set of teeth. That's why they have one of the strongest bites in animal kingdom. They are carnivorous, they feed on flesh. And the reason why crocodiles stay in water is that they regulate their body temperature with the temperature of their environment because they are poikilothermic animal. Animal that have they don't have fixed body temperature. They have to regulate their body temperature with the temperature of their environment. Unlike human being, human being we are homothermic animal. Homo means the same body temperature. You can when the environmental condition is hot, is cold, and our body is hot. So that is. But then they can regulate their body temperature with the temperature of their environment. But human being cannot. That's why they stay in water to regulate their body temperature with the temperature of the water. They are poikilothermic animals. And they are carnivorous, they feed on flesh. Crocodile can live up to 70 years, 70 to 100 years. And they lay eggs. No venomous snake are those snakes that don't have venom. So, and we have different type of venom. We have an hemotoxic venom, the venom that affects the blood. We have the neurotoxic venom, the venom that affects the brain. Cardiotoxic venom, the venom that affects the heart. Mammatotoxic venom, the venom that affects the muscle. And non venomous snake. African rock python is an example of non venomous snake. They do not have venom at all. They kill their prey by strangle. They will tie the prey until the heartbeat of the prey stop and now swallow it. Because all snakes have capacity to open their mouth by 180 degrees like this. Can open their mouth by 180 degrees. And then they are feeding. We feed this one with live chicken, big one. Every 2 weeks, sometimes 3 weeks, depend on the size of the chicken we feed last. The soft shell turtle. The common one is hard shell. This one is a soft shell. And the soft shell, they are endangered species because they are not plenty again because people used to eat them. and they can live up to 45 years. They are omnivorous, but here we treat them as carnivorous because what they feed on, the plant they feed on are mainly found underwater. We can call them soft shell turtle or sea turtle because they are mainly found inside big sea or ocean. Carnivorous and so here you have the monitor lizard. The monitor lizard, they are also carnivorous. They feed on flesh. And the monitor lizard, they have venom, but their venom cannot affect human being. The concentration of their venom is not capable to affect human being. They only use their venom to kill small animals they feed on because they are carnivorous, they feed on flesh. Black neck spitting cobra. The black neck spitting cobra, they are venomous snakes. They have venom. No, unlike the python, this one have venom. And then they have type of venom called hemotoxic venom. The hemotoxic venom, when they inject their venom into human body, the victim will be bleeding from eyes, nose, and ear, and all the blood will clot. And they spit at an angle of 45 degrees. When they spit into human being eye, the person will go blind temporarily. We feed them with a day old chick, 4. They use the gun. The night they use the gun to camouflage themselves. Like when they're on the ground, they have the color of the ground. And the night either they are highly venomous. They have cardiothoracic venom. Their venom affects the heart. So once this bite, the target cell is the heart. And they're also carnivorous, they feed on the tail chicks here. Okay, you are welcome to the ape house. So in the ape house, you have the baboon, the chimpanzee there. But we are talking about the chimpanzee. What are apes? Apes are the bigger primates, like a baboon, chimpanzee, gorilla, orangutan. But here we have the baboon and the chimpanzee. But we're talking about the chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are very close to human being. They have about 98% of human DNA. About 98% of human DNA. All what human being can do, they can also do it. They can make weapons to attack other wild animals in the forest and also have 6 times human power. Power of 6 human beings. They have ability to use tree to drum. Instead of using drum, they can use tree to drum. And they also menstruate like human being. When they are menstruating, their bum will swell. When they are menstruating, their bum will swell, and they are also omnivorous animal. Here we give them fruits in the morning and cook food in the afternoon. But I will be talking about the baboon when we read the baboon side, because the baboon that we have here, they are very old. So when we get to the younger ones, I will say everything about the baboons. Let's go in. The Anubis baboon have 10 times. So here we have the Anubis baboon. The Anubis baboon have 10 times human power. Power of 10 human being. They can use their bum to break coconuts and also kill any animal through detachment. By detachment, they will detach. And the saddest part about them is that they are capable of raping human beings. 10 times human power. That means they are capable of tearing any animal. They can tear. And also, they can rape. The saddest part about them is that they can rape a female human being. A female human being. They can rape. They know female human being. They are intelligent. They know female human being. So they are capable of raping. And the baboon attack in group also. They attack in group. So they are talking, it's asking me how we treat them. So I said they have 10 times human power. We can't enter the cage while they are inside. We can't enter the cage with them. Look at that small window. So that's why we have 2 different cages. One at the front, one at the back. There's a door that used to link both cages together. We open the door, we just drag, there's one rod, we just drag that rod backward. So the cage will open. The animal will move into the other cage and will do anything we want to do here. So that's how we feed them. And we give them fruit in the morning and also cook food in afternoon. So they eat like the other. All primates eat the same food. So here we have the Patas monkey. The Patas monkey is the most beautiful species of monkey and also the fastest primate. They have a speed of about 55 kilometers per hour, and also they can live up to 21 years in the captivity and less than that in the wild. You know, inside the wild they are exposed to predators inside the wild, but here we feed them regularly. There's no competition for food, and also we deworm them every month. All the animals we deworm them, and also if they are sick, there's a clinic for them. We have the warthog. The warthog is the most dangerous pig family because when they attack human being, they will destroy the kneecap. When they destroy the kneecap, that's all. And then they can use their mouth to burrow the ground for about 4 feet because they live inside hole. And when they want to move into the hole, they move into the hole with their back because they believe that they don't see the animal that is coming from their front. So that's why they move with their back. And they are very, very fast. They are very fast. They are omnivorous animal. They can eat anything, including plants and flesh. So they can eat anything. Okay. So we are now in the carnivore section, animal that feed on flesh. So here we have different species of hyena, the spotted hyena, the striped hyena. So we have the two species here, the spotted and the striped. I'll show you both. So this is the spotted one. Spotted one are very dangerous. They are very, very dangerous. And hyena, there are some fact about hyena. The first fact about hyena is that hyena cannot jump because their front leg is long, their back leg is short. That's why they cannot jump. They have one of the strongest jaw in animal kingdom. Their jaw can break the bone and flesh of their prey. Also, hyena feed on carcass, dead animal. But in case there is no carcass for them to eat, they will capture their prey and start feeding on their prey alive. And the hyena work in packs, a group of 25 to 30, and the female in the pack. Hyena can live up to 25 years in captivity. And less than that in the forest. So how we feed them? They are carnivorous, they feed on flesh. And they do not eat every day. They eat every 2 days because of their digestion. They take up like 8 hours before their food can digest. So this is how we feed them. We have two different stages.